This lecture discusses the topic, Conditions for Acceptable Deeds. Every deed is not acceptable in front of Allah. Allah only accepts those deeds which are performed in the state of Emaan, faith, with Ikhlas, sincere intentions, and according to Islamic Shari'ah, Qur'an and Sunnah. Allah says in Surah Al-Imran, "And whoever seeks a religion other than Islam, it will never be accepted of him, and in the hereafter, he will be one of the losers." The final and ultimate religion near to Allah is Islam. Deeds in the name of Allah, Ikhlas. The deeds done in isolation and only for the sake of Allah are the best and the most accepted in the sight of Allah. Along with the purity of intentions, the strict following of the Shari'ah is also necessarily required for the acceptance of deeds. The concept of Biddah. Islam is a complete religion. One does not need to add nor subtract anything into nor from it. An act that looks like Shari'ah, but for which proof does not exist in Qur'an and Sunnah, doing such acts with the intention to get closer to Allah and to seek reward from Him is known as Biddah. Fiqh, jurisprudence, is the knowledge of extracting the laws and provisions from Qur'an and Sunnah. It is an obligation for everyone to perform the authentic acts endorsed by Shari'ah, only because this is the primary condition for the acceptance of deeds. Social perspective of good deeds. In our society, people with different backgrounds named different rituals as a part of religion, and due to lack of knowledge from authentic books, they have made those rituals more sacred and secluded, and then have refused to listen to the scholars regarding iterations.